Hello everyone, we are here today for an Excel program of Sieve analysis. By the way, my name is Renald P. Saladaga.
I'm Joshua V. Atok.
I am Jeremy Justin Ceballos.
And we are the group 5. So, as you can see here in the Excel program, we have a table here represented by the sieve number, the mass retained, cumulative mass, percent finer, and the opening or the diameter of our sieve. So, looking at the right side, we have the graph for the grain size analysis. In the y-axis, the percent finer, and the x-axis is the grain size or diameter in millimeter. So, for us to know if this Excel program works, let's have an example. So we have a given sample here with 0 value of sieve number 4, 0, 0, 0. In the number 10 we have 18.5, 5, then 53.2 at sieve number 20, and then 90.5 at sieve number 40, and then 81.8 at sieve number 60, then 92.2 at sieve number 100, and lastly we have 58.5 at sieve number 200, and also 26.5 in the pan. So as we can see here, it automatically computes the cumulative mass, the percent finer, and the percent finer. As you can see here in the right side, in the grain size analysis table or graph, in one glance we can already conclude that this soil is uniformly graded, right? And so here below we can see the grain size classification. The type or the amount of gravel is 0%, sand with 93.7%, and fines with 6.29%. We can also determine the value of our D10, which is 0.095 millimeter, our D30 of 0.195 millimeter, our D60 of 0.412 millimeter, D75 of 0.692 millimeter, and lastly our D25 of 0.172 millimeters. So also here we can compute the value of our uniformity coefficient or CU, which is equal to 4.331, and we can have a remark of well-graded gravel. Also, we can get the value of our coefficient of gradation or curvature or RCC, which is 0.971, which is the remarks of poor graded. And lastly, we can get our sorting coefficient of 2.006. So for us to see if this Excel program is versatile enough to handle some problems, we will have another example. So in this example, we have in the sieve number 4 we have a value of 5. In the sieve number 8 we have value of 45. In sieve number 10 we have 65. In the sieve number 20 we have value of 92. Sieve number 40, 152. Sieve number 60 of 115. Sieve number 80 of 212. Sieve number 100, 63. And lastly, sieve number 200 with 34. And in the pan is 14. And so we can see here in our grain size distribution curve, in one glance again we can already concluded that this soil is a uniformly graded soil. And now let's see the value or the grain size classifications. So in the gravel, we have 0.627%. In the sand, 98.243%. And fine with 1.756%. Also, our D10 is 0.165 millimeter. Our D30 is 0.222 millimeter. D60 of 0.537 millimeter. D75 of 0.947 millimeter. And D25 of 0.209 millimeter. In the uniformity coefficient, or in the CU, we have a value of 3.255 with a remark of poor graded soil. In the coefficient of gradation or curvature, or the CC, we have a value of 0.557 with a remark of poor graded also. And lastly, in sorting coefficient, we have value of 2.128. And that's all for Sieve Analysis Excel program. Thank you for watching.